Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I could not be more excited. We have a viral TikTok tested and I found good things. Life-changing things, dare I say, too good to be true. We are gonna start with something that has been such a hot topic. This is a bestseller over on Amazon, a bestseller over on Schmick, and just in general, I have had so many women in my personal life ask me to review this, and that almost never happens. Literally late at night, Erica texts me and is like, oh my gosh, have you seen this oh my gosh, I'm losing my mind. Like, if this really works, I'm in, I want it. And that is the new under eye tightener from Peter Thomas Roth. Peter Thomas Roth and I have history. Now, I didn't like the primer that everybody loves so much that was said to be Botox in a bottle. I personally felt that it pilled, it made my skin look dry, and it just was not for me. However, we have a winner that is so good. Do we see my under eye situation right now? I am smoothed. I look like I got plastic surgery. Something is like tighter and brighter. I'm gonna hop to a clip of me putting this in action and guiding you through the full 7 minutes that you sit with it on. This is the new Peter Thomas Roth Instant Firm IX Temporary Eye Tightener. Now, a lot of these products will leave kind of a powdery white film. They don't really work well with makeup, and that has been the issue, where it's like, do I want my eyes to be tight underneath, bags be gone, get out of here, but I'm gonna have to forego my normal makeup because normally in the past, these type of products do not work with your makeup. This works with makeup. Let's take a look. Oh my God, it's already working. I can literally feel my eyebrow like going, what the heck? We're almost at the 3-minute mark and I already feel like it has set, and it definitely is lifting, like not just my under eye, but like, do you see how this cheek is like sloped down here? Like, I feel like it did something to kind of lift this whole area. Let's do the other eye. Less is more. It does say to give the product a good solid shake. I can really feel it on top of my eye. Like, this eye feels so much more open. It is crazy. We're gonna go in and just sweep. It's like surgery in a tube. This is working. Like, I can actually feel it. I can actually feel the tightening happening. Like right through here, it feels like it's just kind of pushing everything up a little bit. If you have an indent right here, that hollow right here, this will actually just kind of do this business. That is crazy. We're just about at 7 minutes. The dry down has happened and I'm ready to put on makeup, and I want to see if there's any white cast or pilling coming through, because if there is not, then this is something that will be in my everyday routine. I kid you not. I love how that feels. I am still not over this brush. I don't even understand, you guys. I have so much product left on my palette. I just did the entire face, like going in one time, forehead included. This is crazy. My under eyes are so smooth. That is wild. I feel like my eyelids themselves are tightened and brightened and widened, and I'm half tempted to try this on my forehead. I love this product, no BS. I will be linking everything in the description box below. There is also a new YouTube feature where if you go right here and you see the product pop up, you can click that and it will take you to the product. I have zero bad to say about this. Smooth, smooth. Chef's kiss. If you're curious about my outfit, I am also about to unveil something that I purchased thinking I was hilarious late at night. My husband opened it up in the mail and he's like, what is wrong with you? Like, why did you order this? And I'm like, you know what, James? It's for lounging at home and it's just my sense of humor, and I actually really love this. P.S. It's comfortable, 100% cotton, and if you're into this kind of humor, then you are my people. 3, 2, 1. She's a mood. She's a mood. An actual realistic look at my face a lot of the time when I'm watching social media. So bam, it's like the ultimate like Care Bear stare. Love the random that you can find while scrolling. You're getting your information. You're doing the thing. And then all of a sudden you see a shirt like this and you're like, add to cart, buy, thank you so much. I cannot get enough. I have become more addicted to online shopping recently. I don't know if it's a great thing or a terrible thing. I'm having fun with it, but like, come on. Also, these are Amazon, totally like side note, but I will have these linked as well with my makeup worn today also, because the makeup today is giving me everything I need and it did not take me too long. We're not doing anything too complicated today, so all the information will be in the description box below. I watched one too many people have so much success with this. I also super love their peel off lippy. This is from Sacheu. Normally, this kind of an applicator, we don't get along. Like the dots on the face, we do not get along. The SP2 from Details by Tati absolutely helped me to get along because this is a blending dream. This literally has the perfect shape. It's not circular, it has a little bit of that kind of diamond shape up here, which makes it perfect for blending in any kind of a cream contour. You can go up on the forehead, and this just did all the work for me. But I have to say this product is phenomenal. It has such an interesting blend. It almost blurs and disperses. It does not get patchy. It is a beautiful color. I'm using the shade Giving Drama. Now there are many shades to choose from. They do also have blush that I will absolutely be trying. Sacheu is known for being very long wear, and I am all about that life. I want to put on my makeup and forget that I put it on, live my day, and look in the mirror at the end of it and still be intact. That is what this is giving. I can already tell that it just locks in almost like a stain, but it's creamy and it blends really well. I also had a weird moment where I decided to do jaw contouring and I did a huge line right here, finished my face, and then kind of tilted back, and I saw in the monitor, I was like, oh crap, I forgot to blend that. And so I grabbed a brush and immediately I was able to blend it out. So you have playtime. I love this. I will be using this again and again and again. So far, everything is smash hit, and I'm feeling really good about my taste in shopping online at the moment. Also, you guys, can I just vent for a second too? Because my application arm has been attacked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I was assaulted. I ate dinner outside and the mosquitoes came for me. They had like a personal plan of attack. They did not get my husband. They just looked at me and they were like, her, get her. And I am suffering. I feel like I could itch my whole arm off. I literally told James last night, I was like, don't even think about cuddling me because I can't be touched at the moment because I just itch so bad. Oh my goodness. This I stand by. I 100% think you should have this in your life. I forgot about this product. I used to sell this when I worked at a beauty supply. I just would eat this product up because that was back in the day when there weren't too many options for body glow or anything like that. This is from Nuxe. This is a dry oil and it smells so good. It's gonna take me back to my early 20s, I swear. This product does not feel oily, but when it sets, your skin looks divine. Your skin looks glowing, goddess, like Victoria's Secret supermodel. That's what this is. I can't say that either. Huile, Prodigieuse, or it doesn't even smell like spa. Like it kind of does, but it's undescribable. It doesn't smell like perfume, floral either. It just has this unusual scent. This is the multi-purpose dry oil. Now you can literally, you can take a little bit of it on your hands and go like this and put it in your hair. I would demo this for people and just be like, and smell your hair. Now put it on your body. You can put it on your face. Just rub this all over yourself. You'll feel like a queen. A little tiny bit goes a long way. The nice thing about this as well is if you use other lotions that are more dewy, like the Kiehl's or a body butter, you can put this on top and it will seal everything in. It will add that glisten, add that glow. It's phenomenal. Let me take a few more drops right here in my hand. We'll go with my arm that's been attacked and I will show you. It gives you not a gross shimmer, but it gives you this microfine glow that just gleams. And if you're taking any photos, like any flash photography, your skin is gonna look kind of like you're wearing pantyhose, but in the best way, like especially on the legs. It's just so flattering, it's nourishing, it's good for your skin, and so multi-use. So I was so excited to see this. I added to cart immediately. I was like, oh my gosh, we're getting back together. I have not used you in ages, and I'm so happy to have this back in my life. Oh my gosh, ignore my lip gloss. Sorry guys. I'm testing new products as always. I will be using this tonight. I could not be more excited. I am on my get rid of the brown spots game, and you guys know I have been using my Nurse Jamie with tannic acid and that whole thing to lighten my face up, and it's working. It is working. And then I saw this targeted dark spot corrector, and the reviews were like through the roof. So I'm gonna give this one a solid 30 before I report back to you, but this is day one. I thought we would just open it up together. It feels really luxurious. There's a nice soapy, almost shampoo-like scent to it. I think I'm gonna like this. Dominas Targeted Spot Corrector, Dark Spot, Blemish, Pigmentation. Made in Korea, and they know glass skin. They know how to get it done. So I have very, very high hopes. Also, leave in the comments, have you purchased K-Beauty online? What are you using? What are you loving? Because there is so much of it. My head is spun. And then I'm also on the side of where I'm getting a lot of kind of Parisian pharmacy whatnot. And I'm like, ooh, do I need that also? Let me know. This I've seen all over the place. Like, this is just like wanting me to try it, to buy it. And I keep kind of like going, like, no. And then finally I was like, fine. Dang it, I will add to cart. I will try it. This is a continuous setting spray from Laura Mercier. It is one of the more powdery setting mists. I haven't put on any setting spray just yet, so I thought we would do this together. It's an ultra blur setting spray. I want to say it has fine powders in here. And again, the thing that hooked me is the continuous spray because I love those. A microfine continuous setting spray that provides 24-hour hydrating wear with a natural finish, 98% skincare-based formula instantly blurs, while helping keep makeup crease and fade proof up to 24 hours. Truly translucent and comfortable on skin without feeling drying, sticky, tacky, or tight. Smudge, transfer, and waterproof for a flawless look that lasts. Immediate yes. If this actually helps your makeup to wear longer, that is like MAC Fix Plus, just got in a relationship with the one size. Are you seeing the glow? Are we seeing the glow? Because sometimes the one size, I love it so much, or the L'Oreal Infallible, love that one so much too, but it just is so sticky and tight, and it can feel drying on the skin if you use it too many days in a row. So I have high hope for this one right here. That went on so perfectly. We are now entering the clothing portion of this video. Let's try on some tank tops that promise support with no bra because the bra is built in. The colors are a little bit different than what is presented online, I will say that. So this is how it comes. Ooh, it's a little, do we see the color issue right here? Is that just me? I don't like that. What is that? I'm gonna give it a try though. Let's give it a try. I think I got a faulty one or something, which sucks because this is so sexy and it really does. Like, there's padding in here and a built-in bra and it really does, you know, but like maybe if I wash it, I don't know what that is. Okay, the pads are a little, but do you see, what is this? What is that? Will that wash out? Because this is so cute for no bra. Stop. I like it. I just am really upset about the fabric being kind of, you know? These are very affordable. They come in so many colors. I'm wearing a size small. If you want to roll the dice and go for it, the fit is great. The weird color thing is kind of throwing me off, but honestly, I'll probably keep them just to wear around the house. Speaking of bras, this looks like it's not gonna work. I am gonna put this on. I don't know that I'm so bold to model it for you guys, but I'll put a shirt on top of it. I don't know. I saw this and I was like, that looks comfortable. When you see people try these on online, like it looks amazing and it just really sucks you in. And I am shocked sometimes that you'll get it in the mail and you're like, what? What? Let's see. We're gonna pretend this is a sports bra. This looks like grandma bra, but it's comfortable. If you are wearing lower cut things, this is gonna poke out, but it is giving like a nice lift. I'm gonna give this like a 7.5 out of 10. It's not the greatest ever, but it's actually not bad. I didn't pay too much for it and it's really comfortable. I like that in the back you have so many different hooks where you can adjust your size, and that's a huge win. We have an off the shoulder sweater, which you guys know I love. This is cute. This actually is super soft. This feels way more high end than what I paid for. So I'm gonna go ahead and say that this one right here is a win. I like it. Scrunch the sleeves, wear them long and loose, kind of like this business. You can wear one up, one down. Absolutely, yes, I will be getting more colors. This is truly so soft. Like sometimes when you order items offline like this, they arrive to you, like, you know how the pictures have like the same shirt in 20 different colors and it almost looks like an AI image of like the model like this. And then you get the actual item and you're like, this is nothing like what was represented. And it's so frustrating. This is actually better than expected. I love it. We have one more and I am so thrilled to find a solution for my sunglasses. Right now, they are all in a drawer and I pull it open and they're kind of like in like little organized little compartments, but it's like such a mess and I can't see them all and it's kind of frustrating. So of course I saw this and I was like, that is the answer to my sunglass organization prayer. This is brass. So it'll look really pretty in my closet. Let's see if I can put this together like right on the spot. No directions. Let's just 3, 2, 1 this and go team go. So you have a base. Just put this together. Anyone else do this? Like, I don't want James to build this for me because then he's gonna be like, what? Like, what made you buy that? Like, why are you buying that? Let me live. We've got some professional tools right here. There we go. Boss woman figuring it out. That's right. Yes. Guys, my sunglasses are gonna look so cute. They're all gonna be like hanging from this little carrot. This doesn't look cheap either. Look at the things that we can find online that are not totally necessary, but put a little bit of a spark joy in your day, because this will make me joyful when I look at it and I can grab my sunglasses and they're just like displayed out and about. This is a win. And that concludes this shopping adventure with Tati. If you enjoyed it and you want more like this, you know what to do. Hit that like button, make sure you're leaving me comments, and go and have the best day, whatever you are doing, you guys. I love you so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Mwah.